best luxury large car for 2025 to 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLS-Class. In the realm of luxury large cars, the 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLS-Class has firmly established itself as the best luxury large car for 2025. This elegant sedan seamlessly merges high-performance engineering with sophisticated design and cutting-edge technology, continuing Mercedes-Benz's tradition of automotive excellence. Dynamic performance. The 2023 CLS-Class offers a range of powertrains designed to provide both exhilarating performance and refined driving dynamics. At the heart of the lineup is the CLS-53 AMG, featuring a 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine with EQ boost. This setup delivers an impressive 429 horsepower and 384 lb-ft of torque, enabling the CLS to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. For those seeking a more exhilarating experience, the CLS-63 AMG provides even greater power, combining advanced performance with the brand's hallmark luxury. Exquisite design and comfort. The exterior of the 2023 CLS-Class is a testament to Mercedes-Benz's design philosophy, with its sleek, coupe-like silhouette and distinctive grille making a bold statement on the road. Inside, the CLS-Class is equally impressive, featuring a cabin that exudes opulence and craftsmanship. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, real wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents create a refined atmosphere. The multi-contour front seats are heated, ventilated, and offer extensive adjustability, ensuring maximum comfort for both driver and passengers. The rear seats, though more compact, still provide a comfortable ride, making the CLS-Class a versatile choice for both personal use and professional engagements. Advanced technology and safety. The 2023 CLS-Class is equipped with Mercedes-Benz's latest MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience, infotainment system, which includes a 12.3-inch touchscreen with intuitive controls and voice activation. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. Safety is paramount in the CLS-Class, with advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking enhancing overall driver confidence and security. Conclusion. With its blend of performance, luxury, and technology, the 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLS-Class stands out as the best luxury large car for 2025. Its combination of striking design, powerful engine options, and advanced features makes it a top choice for discerning drivers seeking an exceptional driving experience.